Oh, that run, by the way, holy crap, it was garbage.
What was your run?
Yeah. Oh, I was about to say it doesn't flicker, but it does. I feel like,
Oh, look at
oh,
that.
it doesn't now. It doesn't now. It does sometimes. You need to have hit F1, buddy. Yeah, it flickers a little bit, but far less than your work computer.
I wonder why. I pressed you.
How about I paint you orange?
Hey, I love orange. But maybe later. Listen, someone changed the garage code and I need to get in there.
Well, I didn't change it. But I know how you can find out who did. All you need is a private detective, 2 giraffes with telescopes, 3...
That seems complicated.
Ow. Well, maybe you could just build a scanner and use it to scan the keypad for DNA. Use the disassembler in the storage room to get the parts you need. Then, you can build the scanner with our handy Robinson transmogrifier.
It's weird though, cause it's like only parts of the game flicker,
It's strange.
not the entire game.
It's probably just AMD.
Are you actually recording now?
Yes.
Can I ask how you went about getting there?
Like this.
No, like what did you do? Did you do any inputs of any kind?
I just held forward.
Oh really?
Yep.
And then suddenly you got the thing?
Okay, so let me get to the point that I had.
Oh, if you get stuck, by the way, just alt tab and alt tab back in.
Okay, so I got this screen, right? And then
Yeah.
I don't know if you have to do this, but I did that. And then I just held forward until I popped up.
Oh.
Alright, well,
Okay.
there's that. Let me stop recording and upload.